Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the front headrest on a Ford C-Max. In a separate video I show you how to remove the rear one, so that will be in the description. But for the front, on one side you have this button that you press, but this button only gets you this far. Higher than this it will not go no matter what you do. But we have this thingy right here. Let me zoom a bit on it. Do you see it right there? A small tiny button. You can barely press it with your finger, but it's best to use something like this. So basically at the same time you press this fully on one side and press this with your hand and pull this up and it will come out. You will most likely not be able to properly see what I'm doing, but with one finger I'm pushing this. With the screwdriver I'm pushing the other side, and with my head I'm trying to lift this, but does not work. Tried to somehow film, but it's not possible. So I did it, I lifted this just enough to unlock from both sides, and now obviously it's fully coming out. So yeah, when you are pressing that you are basically unlocking from right here, and when you are pressing this at the last step you are basically unlocking from this right here. But yeah, you mostly need 3 hands to do this, because you are pressing this and this at the same time and also lifting this. So yeah, have fun with it. Just in case it wasn't clear, it is coming all the way out. And to put it back in, maybe I could show you also the latch itself. You can see it right there to the right and to the left on this side. So yeah, and to put it back you just slide it in, and I think it locks on one side, only on this one it locks, on this one it does not lock when you are putting it back. So you press it, then it locks again at another level, press it again. Standard operation for headrest. So yeah, that's about it. Hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always see you in the next one. Bye.